walang naniniwala sa'yo. They don't care about you. Hey guys, sa mga aspiring and beginner content creators out there, hear my advices. First, don't upload videos entitled A Day in My Life or About Me because they don't know you. They don't care about you. First, just concentrate doing contents na may entertain mo or may inspire mo yung mga viewers. Second is choose a niche or kung ano yung focus na topic mo. And continue doing that consistency. Dire-diretso, hindi once a month. At least pwede yung once a week pero advisable everyday ka mag-upload. And be sure that yung mga contents mo is appropriate for the viewers. Because through that, you are creating your own identity. You are creating your brand. Like for example, us dito sa Ihingyon TV, we were known sa mga films namin. So yung pinaka-niche namin is films. And under that films, may mga short films, comedies, culture, and other advocacy. And naka-umbrella sila sa films. Next is never mind the buzzers because they are just few. Mas marami yung mga supporters mo kaysa sa mga buzzers. Yung mga buzzers, sila yung nasa gilid na nagsiselos or trip lang na mag-bash. And be sure na nababash ka sa reasonable na dahilan. Hindi yung nababash ka because you are doing something stupid or basta ganun. I know na nagets mo. And about sa bashing, huwag kang magpaka-apekto sa mga bash because may stress ka lang. Pag nabash ka, na-down ka, you failed, ikaw pa rin ang talo. Kaya kung may mga bashers, take those challenges to continue doing your contents and creativity. Like for example, kami, number one na nababash dito sa Ihingyon TV is yung accent namin sa Tagalog. Pero we take that as challenge to do more na we are proud of. So ayun, shout out sa mga bashers namin dyan. Thank you for being part of our journey. Next and maybe the last is always be humble. If naging success na yung pagiging content creator mo, always acknowledge people na naging parte ng success mo. Like for example, yung mga families and friends mo and yung mga followers because without them, wala ka sa kinalalagyan mo ngayon. And of course, for me, pinaka-importante is always acknowledge na without God, wala ka sa kinalalagyan mo ngayon. And in connection sa pagiging humble is wag kang yayabang. Like for example, pag nag 1 million followers ka na or sikat ka na sa Pilipinas or sa buong mundo, always be humble. Wag tayong mayabang. Because, sabi sa Bible, ang mayabang, ida-down ni God. Ang humble, itataas ni God. Kaya my last piece of advice, always be humble. And again, acknowledge God sa mga blessings mo. So ayun, Nikeson Kinoo, Ihingyon TV.